Yes, guys, I'm taking you all to work with me. See how the sun nice and pretty outside? Look at that, guys. You see that? Pretty, 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 guys. Out that door. Sell off. Whew. Out that door, sell off, guys. Oh, hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. Sorry about that, guys. 10 minutes to reach work, guys. 10 minutes. Let's put this in reverse. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm tired. I'm tired enough? I'm tired. Oh, let me fix this so you guys can see me properly. Let me fix it so you guys can see me properly, guys. Oh, it is nice like car, but hot out the door. You have to learn. Guys, this lady, she just not even. Hold on, guys. Let me put this through here. I don't want it to fall off, but let's give it the benefit of the doubt that it's not gonna fall off. All right, guys, let's do this. I'm not sure about the quality in the video, guys. If you guys are not seeing me properly, let me know, because I drive, and the sun is out, guys, and the sun glare. Let me take it off. This one now work at all. Hold on, guys. I'll put on the next one. This one drop off for some reason. Hold on, guys. I'm putting on this one over here. Okay, let's try this one. Let's try